Greater Anglia trains will be nationalised on October 12th, confirmed by the Department for Transport. This follows the government's renationalisation plans. Martin Beeble, Managing Director of Greater Anglia, expressed pride in their achievements and assured passengers that services, timetables and employee roles will remain unchanged during the transition. Jerome Mayhew, Shadow Transport Minister, criticised the move, citing ScotRail's nationalisation as a costly failure, with increased fares, reduced services and decreased customer satisfaction. The government argues nationalisation will enhance value for money by eliminating up to £100 million annually in management fees, aiming for more efficient railway operations.